Yes, Guddu.
Yes, sir.
Have you finished your article today?
Yeah.
Homework?
Yes, sir.
Good boy. Can you please come on the camera?
No, sir.
Please show me a handsome face.
Sir, I'm in the car.
No problem at all. We're not going to come there.
Sir, please.
Please, please, please.
No, sir, please.
Please.
Sir, no, no.
Okay.
I'm
Speak up.
Dr. Mike. Yeah, thank you, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm talk about my past and today I'm talk about my childhood. I'm good woman. I'm 20. When I was child, I used to be agile. I used to play whole day. I play cricket, swimming, and hide and seek. In the evening, come back home. My mother is shouting me because my clothes is very
Used to
dirty.
shout at me.
Shout at me because my clothes is very dirty. And I used to many friend. When I used to talk them with my chum. Now I used to chat with my friend. Holiday I used to go my uncle. My uncle is uncle. My uncle used to get me some chocolate and money. And I have their cousin those. My cousin we used to lot of fun. I'm play with my cousin kabaddi, kho and a lot of fun. I used to come back home. Now I used to prepare myself for the next day. I used to prepare my satchel. I used to go school. I used to go school walking. Now I'm 13-year-old. Yeah, 14. My father is by to cycle. Now I used to go cycle with school.
Okay.
I used to lot of fun with my friend and school. Now I used to bunk class with my friend and we enjoy it. Uh,
Nice.
Sometimes I used to be outdoor games, cricket. I used to lot of homework, but sometimes I used to leave it as it is. My father is my father used to help me about. My brother is supporting me, and my brother is always motivate me. My
Used to
mother is
motivate me.
motivate. My mother is encourage me, and my brother is always motivate me.
Used to.
Used
My
to.
mother used to motivate me. My brother used to motivate me. Use their used to.
My mother is
My mother used to
my mother used to helping me,
help me.
help me. And now college day, I used to bike to go and I used to use classes with my college classes. Now I'm bunk classes some.
I used to bunk.
I used to bunk classes with my friend and I'm go to
I used to.
trekking, trekking, swimming
Okay.
a morning time.
Then
Then I used to come back home. Now uh, I'm sad that my father I'm bunk classes because because I'm boring in college. My father is really shouting me why are you bunk classes. I'm sad as my mother is supporting me.
okay.
My father my father is really shouting me. I, I'm going in my room and I'm close the door.
And then father used to.
Father used to slap me.
Okay, father used to slap you, and father used to kick you, and father used to
No,
kick the door, and he used to come in inside, and he used to beat you a lot.
no sir. No,
Okay, he used to throw you, he used to bang you.
mm.
Wow.
Nowadays I'm I'm not to enjoy my childhood memories because childhood memory very best.
Nice.
Thank you, sir.
That's really good. And see, Muddu, as you are speaking really awesome. I really liked it. But see, there are plenty of mistakes you have committed over here, that you haven't given the article appropriately. You are not using the appropriately used to for each and every verb and each and every sentences. All right, you need to practice a lot, my dear. You need to practice a lot. If you're not practicing, then may God help your English. Now remember, you need a lot of practice over there, and still you're not practicing over here. See, almost your course has finished, but still you are not practicing. Due to that, you will face a lot of problems. Remember this. Okay, please practice at home.
सर मैं
Practice more and more.
2 पेजेस लिख
Pardon?
के जितना मेरे को ये बोलना था ना, मैं जब प्रिपेयर कर रहा था, वो 2 मिनट के अंदर सब खत्म हो गया बोलते बोलते।
I know, I understand for this one, but you have to practice, my dear. Practice a lot. Good. Keep up. You'll need to practice a lot, and if you're not practicing, then may God help you. Okay? Good. All right. Who is going to speak up now next? Mr. Zubair. Are you going to speak now?
No, can I come from Salah?
Okay. Sure,
Just
sure,
good.
sure. We will be waiting for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, Miss Sadaf Tamboli.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Could you please speak up on used to?
Yes, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sadaf Tamboli and I'm a student. Today, I'm going to share a glimpse of my childhood. Variety is the spice of life. Well, when I was child, I used to be very agile and I used to play computer a lot. It was in my schedule that when I used to come from school after school, I used to turn on my computer. Then I used to have my meal and then I used to play GTA Vice City. Yeah, that game. It became my craze. Craze means even when I used to eat, I have that game in my mind. I used to sleep. When I used to sleep, I have that game in my mind, and I have dream of that game. When I used to study, the cheats of that game were revised. Just like we can say the game wasn't in the computer, it was in my mind. One day, what happened? I came home after school, and as usual, I turned on my computer, and without seeing at it that even it has started or not, I I had my meal and came back to the computer, but it was off. Like I said before, I used to be very agile. I haven't waited for my parents and sister and turned the button off and then turned it on again. I literally done this several times, but it haven't worked. I was very crazy, and my mom used to fix the time of the playing time of the computer. Like you have this much time, so you have to play in that time only. And I haven't waited for that, and and I went bananas. Somehow my sister came. She looked at the situation, but computer haven't started. Then my father looked at the situation, and he asked me, "What happened? What happened to the computer? Like it went off. What you have done?" So I just said that I just turned it on, but it wasn't working. I haven't lied, but I hid the half truth. Literally, time passed. My father went to the engineer, and around after 2 months, it got repaired. But in that 2 months span, I just learned. Sorry, my craze of that game lowered at its own. But the thing I learned is, if one person does mistake, the whole family suffers from it. Thank you.
Oh my God. Celebrate it very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good,
How
very
Garib?
nice.
Bola, 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 please,
Very
Garib
good,
people.
very nice.
Yeah, very nice, very
Very
nice.
good, nice.
See, she has given literally a story over here in her own article. She was telling about her childhood story, and that was what about a computer, about the game, and the computer used to get down. And one day, what happened? Ultimately, the computer went down, and she hasn't lied. but she has spoken really awesome. And I would like to suggest you, ma'am, that see you have some kind of problems with your grammar. Go with it. For example, you said that the computer haven't started, so it was or it hasn't started. Apart from this one, there are some other mistakes too, but I want you to go especially for used to for all the time. All right, she has spoken really awesome. Very good, very nice, ma'am. Very good. Keep up.
Thank you,
Keep on
sir.
speaking like that. Very good. Used to. Who is the next one? Next one. Next one. I could see here. See that Khatarnak Admi is again absent over here. Okay. Shivdas, could you please speak up?
Sir.
Good. Could you please come on the camera?
Okay, sir.
Good. Come on. Good man. What
Okay,
about
sir.
gym? Has it started?
What, sir?
What about your gym? Has it started?
Yes, sir. I'm doing.
Good.
I'm doing at home, sir. Some of equipments are there, so I'm doing at home.
Oh wow. Cool. Keep up.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's start your used to.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my plus one, plus two college life after 10th. After 10th, I decided to join the college in the Pune. So
In Pune.
my college was in the Pune.
In Pune.
So I used to have to go to the by the bus. So my home was almost 1.5 kilometers from the bus stop. So I used to go on my bicycle. It was the college time was 7 a.m. 7 a.m. on the morning. So I used to wake up at
Come on.
5 a.m. 5 a.m. on the 5 on the morning,
In
and
in in the morning.
in the morning, and then at the bus time was exactly 5:50 a.m. So I have to get there. Some as I wake up early in the morning, so I used to sleep in the bus sometimes. I always late for the school because the distance was almost 30 kilometers. I used to share my tiffins with my friends who are living in the hostels. Kiran was one of them who I met there. Uh, then after the college, I used to go to the class, private tuition, and after the class, it was over at 4. So then after the class is over, I used to then also I used to get to the bus to the home. Sometimes I used to bunk classes and go to the class. There I study sometimes, bunk classes in recess, and go to the class for doing some extra study. Thank you, sir.
That's really nice. Again, I can see there some of the mistakes are there which you are not using there used to for all the sentences. And apart from this one, you were using there. I used to share my tiffin, so that was lunch box, and I used to get late. I used to get ready. I used to wake up. I used to go there. So you must speak there. I used to. All right, my dear.
Okay, sir.
Good. Please tell him very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Please tell that
Very
good to
good,
very
very
good, very
nice.
nice.
Very good, very nice.
Good.
Very good, very nice.
All right, Miss. Who? Okay, Miss Chaitali, could you please speak up?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chaitali Kotwal. I'm 16. Today I'm going to talk about my childhood days. My grandparents say that childhood is the best part of the life. They look back at their childhood and remember all its happy days. Childhood is the first stage of life. My childhood used to full of fun and enjoyment. My grandparents used to love me very much. When I was 6 years old, I used to went to the school. I used to be a very naughty little girl. My father used to drop me in school. I used to play with my friend Prerna. She used to love playing hide and seek game, but I didn't used to love playing hide and seek game. We used to play till at night. My father used to be angry on me but my mother used to save me from the anger of my father. We used to enjoy all festivals. My grandmother used to make the delicious foods. I used to watch Doraemon. I used to love the cartoons. I used to take a part in unforgettable incidents in my childhood. Thank you.
That's really awesome. You have made it yourself, right?
Yeah, sir.
Very good. Awesome. Really awesome.
Thank
That's
you,
really good.
sir.
Salah, very good, very nice, please.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good,
Good.
very nice.
Nice.
Thank you.
Okay. Jatsna ma'am,
सर
please
एक्चुअली
speak.
मैंने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया है सर आज.
Okay. But still, would you like to speak?
यस सर. पर पूरा
That's really
पूरा
awesome.
कंप्लीट नहीं बोल सकूंगी सर.
Oh, no problem, no
Okay,
problem,
sir.
no problem. Whatever you can speak, speak up. No problem.
Good evening, teacher and my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about my childhood memories. I think childhood memories are the best memories. So I want to talk about that today. In my childhood, I used to play variety of games. I used to play stones and marbles, and in that time, Vitti and Dandu we play. Also, when I was child, I used to play rope jumping. Mm, then in my village, I used to सर इसको क्या बोलते हैं एंजॉय छुट्टियां बिताते थे.
I used to spend my vacation.
Yeah, I used to spend a vacation in my village, and in my village, I used to climb on a mountain. And I can never ever forget those green fields of grass which are in my village. There were a lot of animals, and I used to play with them also. When I used to go on the top of the mountain, and when I look down, that site looks very beautiful. And I used to wake up in my childhood. I used to wake up early in the morning. When I was in fourth standard, I used to give a scholarship exam, and at that time, my father was joined me a scholarship class. At that time, I used to wake up early in the morning, 5:30 a.m., and I used to go class for 5:30 to 6 to 7 a.m. After that, I used to go to my school, high school, by walk, 11 to 5 p.m. 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. After completing my high school, I used to go for a college by bicycle.
I used to go to college.
I used to college. I used to enjoy my lunch box very eagerly. I used to play a lot in my childhood, as well as I used to enjoy a college life also. And I used to enjoy a village life at that time very much. Now people don't know how the village life is there, and I used to enjoy with trees, banana trees, banyan trees. I used to play with banana trees by rope climbing. Also, I used to playing in a valley in that time. Mm, I used to study a lot in my childhood. As my father was a teacher, he always pressure to our all cousins to used to only study, and I used to read books very much. Uh, okay, thank you, sir.
That's really good. That's really good. Amazing, ma'am. I was just listening to you. How did you spend your childhood in your what do we say, in your village? And you used to play
Yes,
with the banyan trees and all banana trees. That's really
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
it was near the Nashik, right? The same you have said last time.
Yes, sir. Near the Nasik, sir.
Karagana. That's really nice. Awesome. Please tell a very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice, ma'am.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very
Thank
nice.
you, sir. Thank you.
Chaitali has another article over there for yesterday's homework, and that was what must and have to something. Could you please come on the camera, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Sir, I was wrote it and
Yeah, no
I
problem.
want to read
Read
it.
it. No problem. Come on the camera and read it.
Okay, sir.
Good girl.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chaitali Kodwal. Today I'm going to talk about my funny article. Whenever I go to the exam, I think I should do study. But before exam day, my friends call me to play. And I have to go because it's friends order. My mother said me again and again, Chaitali, you should do study. At that time, good Chaitali said, I must do study. And bad Chaitali said, shouldn't do study. My dear, my father said, Chaitali, you must do study. But I think mom should save me from my father's anger. In school, my teacher said, Chaitali, you must do study. If you mustn't do study, then I will punish you. For your better future, you have to do study. And after all these things, I think I must do study. But after the playing, now I have to go play because play every day it's good thing for your health and wealth. Then I go on playground and play with my friends. After playing, finally I get time for study. But whenever I get time for study, my stomach always sing a song. Chaitali, Chaitali, you are hungry now and you have to eat food. Then I think now I have to study for 20 marks. I must do study for 20 marks because other 15 marks it give me my school. School must give me 15 marks. Should my father pay the fee? Oh yeah, my father has paid the fee. And see now my situation. While I read the question paper, I think yeah, I must do study for my career. Thank you, sir.
Nice. Chala, very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Amazing.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice. Anyone else would
Thank
like
you.
to speak up like this? Something great one.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Oh my God, my Ankit. Can you please come on the camera? After a long time, Ankit, I'm seeing you. Huh? Nice. Good.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to speak about my school. Hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are listening to you. Good.
my school. Today I am going to speak about my school life, sir. My home was 2 kilometers away from school. So up to fourth standard, my mother used to come with me to get. Sometimes my mother used to come with me to get to school. After fifth standard, I used to get to school on my bicycle. I used to sit on first bench because of my height. Uh, I used to play cricket with my friends. Uh, with my friends, I used to participate in sports events. I used to participate painting, cricket, kabaddi, other competition. Thank you, sir.
Wow. Super, Ankita. Chala, very good, very nice, please.
Very good.
Very good, very nice.
Why
Very good,
actually
very
very nice
nice.
for him? Because he was not there for a long time in class and he has completed even the homework of yesterday. That's really awesome. I liked it, Ankit. Amazing. At least you should prepare it more and more and you can speak it much more better this one. Because I believe that your childhood was really very awesome. And you can talk many things about here. That I used to go there, I used to have their fun with my friends, and I used to play with that Nazim, I used to play with that Guddu, I used to play with Shivdas, Kiran, and there are many people, right? Okay, Mr. Zubair, are you ready to speak up over there?
Yes, yes. But I did not prepare, but I will try to
Wow.
speech.
Again, you are going to
Because
become.
due to office work, I did not prepare.
Okay, no problem.
So actually, I yesterday you have given the some articles for modelization sport, right? So I have written that time. So I will speak.
Sure.
After that,
Could you please
will
follow the
show.
camera?
Yes, yes,
Good.
yes. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zubair Sheikh. I'm 33.
Turn on the camera.
I have turned the camera, I think.
Yeah, now it is good.
Yeah, actually, I have written some in Notepad.
Okay, no
So,
problem.
yeah. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Zubair Sheikh. I am 33. So today let's talking about the modernization awards of my IT project. So this is a new project in IT. We should take care all responsibility of our project, as we need to get in touch with our clients every day for grow the business, and we have to employee must be complete their work before leave the office every day, and and HR have to monitor in or out time of every employees and must be release their salary on time as per the clause. And HR would take a session on motivation in a week where employees may be getting the energetic thing and grow the company value and goodwill in the market. And employee could share the knowledge to others, those who would require it. Thanks. This is my
Wow,
article I was written.
superb, huh? Superb. Please tell him very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good,
very
very
nice.
nice.
Yeah, thank you.
So good. You have used their could, you have used their should as well.
Yeah, everything I was using in my article.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have used their
Yeah.
many of their monologues verbs. It was really awesome. So I
Yes.
believe that your concepts are getting cleared now.
Yes.
Good. Keep up. If you have
Yeah.
all of you, if you have any questions regarding this, you may ask me anytime. All right. Good.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Good. Very good. Anyone else? Guddu, would you like to speak again? Shivdas, would you like to speak again? Ankit, would you like to speak again? Ma'am, would you like to speak again?
No, sir.
So
The best one has given by ma'am and the Chaitali as well. Huh? Awesome. They were using such natural language to speak up over there.
सर शिवदास को बोलने का है
Yeah, oh Shivdas, please come again. Once again, wow. My
No, sir. No, sir. He just
our party liya kiya tha, sir.
um, currently no topic, sir.
Okay. See, if anyone wants to speak, they can come easily, no problem.
actually I want to speak on my childhood. So whichever I thought, okay,
Oh,
not correct,
you're
maybe.
always welcome, sir. You're always welcome. That's really good.
Yeah.
The camera.
So
So
yes.
सर
Yeah.
ऑन कैमरा
Yes. Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Zubair Sheikh. I'm 33, and I'm a software engineer right now. So let's talking about my childhood. So I used to, in my childhood, my father used to get the admission in my schools, which is so far, which is half and a half kilometer from my home, and my father used to, I used to get the at I used to walking with me at home, school, and I used to join the schools, and I was used to respect my teachers, and I used to sit in front of my teachers while they teach me. And that time I used to learn more and more while in the childhood. And after schools I used to play my cricket and football, and my hobby is a football. So I used to at 7 years old, I used to join the one club which is nearby my home, and in the football. So basically I used to play football every day between 5 to 9 without fail, Monday to Saturday. And my coach used to teach me on each and every step. And I used to play a district tournament and national appeal. And I used to
wow.
that time, yeah, I used to, yeah, in my journey, my trial was on early morning at 7 o'clock, which was reach on time. So that time I was late. So I used to kit in football in local train, as you know, in Mumbai. So I used to reach before 7 o'clock, and that time I used to play very hard and very hardworking. So in out of the 50 players, I used to select in between 225 where national players selected. So I used to and very hardworking. And I used to play cricket, footballs, and in my childhood basically. And my mom used to too much see watching on me for my careers related. and I used to work hard for my my educations, and that's it.
Wow,
Thank
that's
you
really
so much
motivating.
from my side.
That's really motivating. I'm really happy. I would like to ask you one question, Mr. Zubair.
Yeah.
Uh, how was your journey that you were a footballer in your childhood, right? And you used to play
Yeah,
for
yeah. Actually,
district.
I was 7 years. My mom admission in club, which
Okay.
is name is Milan Sports Club. So basically, I was as a playing as a professional. I appeared as an Indian national team.
Wow.
Out of 250 players, I was selecting in 225
Oh my
as a
God.
225 player. That time, I actually that's something thing is that my physics is not well that time. So maybe as per the criteria is not fulfilled. So my coach told me like you are not fit in the national team of India. So
Oh
that time I
gosh.
was very worried about this thing. I was reach to some professional footballer, so where they would some jack and reference to for me like. So that time I was not playing for this, but right now I'm also playing for my company Tech
Wow.
Mahindra. I'm also still playing football. So actually, I thought I was playing for Indian team, but unfortunately, due to some financial crisis and some education lacking, so maybe I would that time I would prefer for both my career, education and football. But that age is not well out of criteria. Like maybe if you are playing football for Indian team or maybe any professional, so between 21 below you can play out of 21 or 25 you can't play for any professional team because that is a stamina wise that is not big. So yes. So still at that time I was offer for Air India. You heard about Air India? So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was I was offered for playing for Air India that time.
Oh my God.
So but still that time actually I was not getting the much amount from Air India. That time I was working for professionally. So that I thought okay, I would prefer for my service instead of football.
Yeah.
So I would skip that thing. But who who told me like give the offer for Air India? Still he will play, he will coach in, if you know, ISL, Indian Super League, in is SMS IPL SM. So he has playing or he has as a coach in Kerala Blaster. Is you heard about one team in ISL, Kerala Blaster? So
Kerala
he's a
Blast.
goal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So he has a goalkeeper coach in Kerala Blaster. Those who told me like you can play for Air India. So still, I will show you the photos of him who has a play of. Can you share my that photo? Please,
Yeah, sure.
1 minute. I will show.
That's really motivating. I was
You.
just thinking that you're only an engineer,
Yeah, yeah. You
but
are able to
you're a
see.
great footballer as well. Wow.
You are able to see.
Not yet, sir.
1 minute. I will share you a screen
Yeah,
where
I'm
you
busy
are
with
able to.
you the sharing
Yeah,
access.
yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh,
Wow, I never knew this one that I'm with the footballer.
yeah, you are able to see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could see here.
This is his guy. So he was offer me to play Air India. Okay.
Okay.
So he right now he has a coaching to Kerala Blaster, goalkeeper coach in
Oh,
Kerala Blaster.
oh my God.
Yeah, yeah. This is his name is Yusuf Ansari. He's
Okay.
an India player. Huh? This is an India player.
Wow, Indian player.
Yeah, he is an India player. He was actually he in his career he was playing for India in Indian
Wow,
team. Huh?
that's really awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool, cool.
Yes, yes.
Awesome.
This is
And where are these guys?
Very
He has
nice.
been shot with it.
what
Who are
what
these
what
guys? Are these foreigners?
Yeah, yeah. This in actually in the Kerala Blaster team, the foreigner is there. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
That's
maybe some same as same format of IPL in the ISL. Two
okay.
player of foreigner or
Yeah, yeah.
11 players of like Indian player like that.
Correct, correct.
So
That's it.
maybe yeah. So this is my
Motivating, sir.
career, but it's still my passion for football. So actually I would play for football for my company presentation. So in my company, I represent to my company and playing in 11 side in
Wow.
tournaments.
Great,
So
great,
this
great.
is
Okay, what's your favorite place to play?
sorry,
Your favorite position in the ground to play?
my position.
Yeah, favorite position.
Yeah, my position is right wing, as you know, Ronaldo positions.
Yeah, yeah,
Same
yeah, yeah,
positions.
exactly.
Yeah, same position. High.
Wow,
Wow, nice, inspirational.
Yeah.
Really good.
Actually,
very
I
nice, sir.
actually in my actually I thought one day I will play for India, but unfortunately that thing not happen. But I
Happened.
got actually in my career I grow my goodwill or I my no royalties I got everything in my in my club
Hope so, sir.
everyone is
If
playing
you
for
think positively, sir, if you think positively,
Yeah,
one day
ma'am,
we
that's it.
will be there, sir.
yeah
Exactly.
that's right. But in my club all players for playing for railways custom and is a professional player playing.
Okay, okay. And you're
And one my
playing
friends who is working as a TC in the Pune station, so who has played for Central Railway.
okay.
So still he is working in Pune as
We would
a
like to see you on the
pitch
TV.
checker. Yeah.
All right, all
This,
right. See, if you're going to think big, broad, nice, so you're going to play for India as well one day.
yeah.
Just
That's
don't worry
right.
about it.
Yeah,
Maybe,
no problem.
maybe it might be
Actually,
a domestic or it might be like
no,
IPL.
actually,
That
I have
is going
played
to be
too much.
ISL.
I have played too much in my career. I had started in 1996 until 2010. I as a played as a professional.
Wow.
So
My God.
I was playing in Mumbai where you heard about Manse. Manse is organized one tournament where I was playing, and in semi final there is a live telecast is going on in the local channel like that. So Manse is very so where in my semi final my ankle is broken that time.
Oh
So
my God.
yeah, so I got the two screw in my ankle.
Oh my God.
So yeah, still I have playing for, but that's good. So my thought
Okay.
is actually I think is as a professional like that as a sports player like I thinking.
That's
And I
really awesome.
in my working as a like activity is very fast in as a professional. As you heard about professional players going very
See,
you
if
know
you are a footballer, you should be very active, and you are so. I believe.
yes. Actually
Very
still I am also playing in a weekdays as a tough
good.
like that.
That's really awesome. Very good. Keep up,
Yes,
keep
yes.
up.
Yes,
Very
yes.
inspirational, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Salim, very good, very nice, please.
Very
Very
good,
good,
Very
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 good,
nice,
nice.
very
sir.
nice, sir.
Thank you all.
Voice say very late at. Very good, very nice. काय रे तू एवढं चांगलं आहे का?
Sir, my mic is mute.
Shut up. Mic is mute. Okay, anyone else would like to speak anything? Anyone would like to speak anything? All right. By the way, it was a very good day today that we all of us have spoken over here. I think nobody is left. Ma'am has spoken, Ankit has spoken, Chaitali has spoken, Guddu has spoken, Mr. Sadaf has spoken, Mr. Shivdas has spoken, Mr. Zubair has spoken. That's really good. Who is absent? Mr. Wajid is absent, right?
I will share you some photos of my
Sure, sure. We would
sports.
like to
Yes.
see. I would
Can
like
I
to see.
share? Can
Yeah,
can
yeah. Right now?
one
Yeah,
minute,
please.
one.
You have the access of sharing over here.
Yeah. Are you able to see?
Not
This
right
is
now. Yeah.
This is my old photos. I was playing for my company corporate level tournament where I got the some runner up like that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This is the first.
When was it?
Sorry.
When was it?
Yeah, in Mumbai, Parel.
Pare.
This is This is a Tech Mahindra team where I was playing.
So,
You know the stadium of cricket in Pune in the beside.
what do we
Uh,
say? Sahara Stadium.
yeah. In the beside you, if you seen in the beside the lights hoarding is there. Is a time ground
Yeah,
hoarding. Yeah,
yeah.
stadium. Yeah, this is the Pune FC. There is a team in ISL where the practice ground of them. This is the Pune FC. This
Okay.
is my Tech Camp team. This is also
So,
my Tech Camp team.
so when have you
This is-
means earned this one? In what
Sorry.
year? In what year?
Yeah, this one is a 2016, I think.
16.
Yeah. I was playing. I am here standing. The right.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
this is This is my Tech Camp team also. Yeah, this is the Kharkiv Stadium beside, in the opposite Kharkiv Stadium, the one
yeah,
ground is there. Yeah,
yeah.
this one is there. That's it. Yeah, this is the current team of Tech Mahindra. I
That's
was
good.
playing. This is
How many,
the standard chartered tournament. This is
I
I
see.
was playing. So I got the, I got the T-shirt of Standard. If you've seen the Standard Chartered written on the T-shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I was playing for Tech Mahindra also.
Wow, superb.
Yeah, yeah. So this is
What are your achievements in this one? Could you please share with me that?
still I don't have in my system, in my laptop, mobile.
Okay, no problem at all. So have you got any sort of medals over there? As I could see,
Yeah,
there is
yeah,
sort of
yeah.
in your
I
neck
have
something is there. What is that? Can you please explain that?
what?
In your neck, you have some kind of medal.
Yeah, yeah. Medals is I like if I at that time I was winning the some tournament, so where I got the medals of organizations from.
That's really awesome. Good. Keep up. Keep up. Keep
Yes,
up.
yes. Yeah, yeah. Thank
And
you.
okay, how about your son? You have a son, right?
No.
Okay, you have a daughter.
Yeah. No, no. Still not.
Okay, still not. Okay. When did you marry?
2016 lockdown.
2016.
Yeah. Notebandi.
Okay,
you
okay,
know.
okay. Notbandi.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Hope for the best for the future. I believe that at least what have you haven't done, your son is going to do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Inshallah.
Ja mere raj, ja meri zindagi ji le.
Yes. Yes.
That's really awesome. Glad to know this one.
Yes.
Thank you so much for sharing your previous journey as well with us. I'm really happy to know this one as well too.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
And I've been, meeting many legends in my class. Like for example, you can see there, Jyotsna ma'am is there in our class, and she's been inspiring the students. See, she's inspiring the students, and she wants to become a motivational speaker as well. And I believe that she's going to be in one day, surely, as she's working on it. And ma'am, I would like to ask you that are you writing any articles, or are you writing, or are you speaking any articles in Marathi? Hello.
In Marathi, sir.
Okay, in Marathi. Yeah, that's I'm asking you. Because see, motivation hasn't got any sort of language. You can
Yes.
motivate the people in Marathi as well, in Hindi, in Urdu, in English. You can motivate people in any language. So what are you writing? Are you writing something in Marathi?
म- ज्यादा नहीं सर, मैं स्पीकिंग ज्यादा करती हूँ सर.
Okay. Have you ever experienced your motivation anywhere?
नो सर, मैं स्टूडेंट्स को ज्यादा मोटिवेट करती हूँ सर.
Okay, now I have a question to you.
यस सर.
The simple question is that how do you motivate Kedar?
Wow, sir. I also know that.
एक्चुअली एक्चुअली ऐसा मोटिवेट नहीं सर. मैंने चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी भी थोड़ा बहुत यूज करती हूँ.
Okay, like for example.
जब हाँ, फॉर एग्जांपल सर, जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं ना, तो हमारा जो सर एक्चुअली हिंदू माइथोलॉजी के अनुसार हमारा संस्कृत या जो श्लोक्स वगैरह होता है, तो अगर छोटे बच्चों को श्लोक्स पढ़ाए जाए या संस्कृत, तो उनका ब्रेन शार्प होता है, लेफ्ट एंड राइट ब्रेन एक्टिवेट होता है. तो उस हिसाब से पुराने जमाने में स्कूल्स तो नहीं होते थे. रामायण महाभारत उस जमाने में जो श्लोक्स पढ़ाते थे लोग, तो उस टाइप में मैं मुझे जो भी छोटे बच्चे मिलते हैं, तो मैं उनको मोटिवेट करती हूँ कि आप श्लोक्स लर्न करो या गणपति
Come on the
स्तोत्र.
camera. If you don't mind, then could you please come on the
नो
camera?
नो सर, नो सर.
Okay. No problem. Yeah, speak up. Continue.
यस सर. राम रक्षा या ये अगर तुम ये सब यूज करोगे ना सर, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ब्रेन शार्प होता है. और स्टेप बाय स्टेप जब आप बड़े हो जाते हो, तो स्टडी में भी उनका इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता जाता है सर. तो फोर्सफुली ऐसा बोलना नहीं पड़ता है बच्चों को, आप ये पढ़ो या ऐसा. क्योंकि पुराने जमाने में ऐसा तो कुछ ट्यूशंस वगैरह ऐसा कुछ नहीं था ना सर.
Yeah,
फिर
yeah.
भी हाँ, फिर इस टाइप से या फिर जस्ट मोटिवेट करती हूँ सर. ऐसा ऐसा अभी बहुत कुछ मैंने किया नहीं है सर उसके लिए.
अच्छा. Okay. But still, he's good, huh? He's good. At least he listens.
यस सर. वो सुनता है सर मेरा सब कुछ. अभी एक्चुअली जुबैर शेख ने जो उनका फोटो दिखाया ना, वो उधर था सर. वो भी फुटबॉल खेलता है. अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से बंद हुआ, तो वो भी मोटिवेट हुआ. वो देख रहा था उनके पिक्चर्स वगैरह सब कुछ.
Oh, wow. See, Mr. Zubair, you are inspiring the others.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. I'm
Amazing.
very.
Amazing.
Yes, sir.
See, the motive behind all these things is what I want you to speak up. That's it. And apart from this one, what these are the things I don't know when and where and how the people are going to get motivated by you. See, and I'd like to tell you one more thing. Once what happened when I was traveling from Mumbai to Pune, I found there in the local train. I know, not in Mumbai to Pune. Actually, I was traveling in Mumbai only in local train. I found that there was a boy. I think I have shared this story before as well with all of you. That I found that there was a boy, and that boy was from a very humble background. Means what? From a very poor background. He was there, and he got on the train, and he was selling the pens. The moment when he was selling the pens, he was selling the pens in English. I got completely shocked at the time. It was a time for me when I started teaching, and I was very new at that time, and I just cracked IELTS at the very peak level at the time. So what happened? When I just saw that boy, the boy was around 16 years old, something. Around 16 he was. I saw him and he was just selling the pens in such idea and such condition that everyone started, buying from pens from him. Later on, when I got him, I found that boy nearby me, and I told my father that I want to buy this pen one. So my father started talking to him. He said that I have to do this one only for my education, nothing else. He said that my father is a mechanic and my mother is a housemaid. माँ मेरी काम वाली बाई है and मेरा जो dad है वो mechanic है. So my father asked him, and still you're working? He said that I don't want to put burden on my father's pocket and my mother's pocket. That's why I'm working over here. And what do I believe? That boy said that day, what do I believe? In this age, if I'm going to work, in future, I'm going to become something really greater. Means what? At this age, if I'm working and I can handle myself and I can earn money and I could do myself at work, means what? I could do my work at myself. So in future, I'm going to become something really greater. That day I learned one more thing. In Market Yard, in Pune, in Market Yard, if you see there, one of my father's friend is there. My father friend is there, and he's a businessman. Actually, he is from Rajasthan, and he is a businessman. He's a grocer. अपन बोलते हैं ना बनिया grocer जो the Marwadi type होता है, that
Yes, yes.
might have seen. Yeah. So that grocer is there, and he is really very very rich man. According to money, means in the time in the means what do we say? In the term of money, he's really a very rich man, and he has about 4 to 5 crores rupees material in his shop where he sits. And forget his go down. In the go down, in the storeroom, in the warehouse, he might be having a hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Hello, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here's
yes.
power failure. So sorry. By the way, I hope you are listening me well. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Oh
Yeah,
my
sir.
God,
Yes, 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 yes.
it's raining cats and dogs in Pune. Okay, Pune guys, we are going to have winter.
Rain, sir.
Yeah, beautiful winter. We are
Yeah,
going to
sir.
enjoy now. So, I'm so sorry. I was just telling you something. Yeah, the story was left that my father went to him, and my father asked him that where is your son, to his friend who is that grocer, and he's a very rich man, as I've told you. So my father asked him, where is your son? So he said that I just made my son to work on my friend's shop. My father asked him marvelously, why? Because you have your own business. This is your own shop. You have the own godown as well, the warehouse, and you have of yours. He replied, my father, that I made my son to work over there so that he would understand and he would admit himself as a king in future, because he'll come to know what exactly the maturity of business he should maintain in the future. Means what? Ultimately, he should realize the pain of earning money, and he will become strong and stronger. And one day he can become a very good businessman. Now, if you see that Shah Rukh Khan's son is there, he won't realize the pain of success, what Shah Rukh Khan has earned and learned. Correct? Because Shah Rukh Khan came from zero and he became the hero. But Shah Rukh Khan's son is there. He has been enjoying in money since his, what do we say, since his childhood. So he won't understand the pain, the nerves, the courage of, if you're going to work in this age, if you're going to, means I'm not talking about the work, I'm telling you the maturity of learning and understanding each and everything. If you're going to have in this age, you're going to be the best one. Do you believe? So do you agree with me? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
this is what
sir.
exactly I do believe. See, many of the people are there in my class. They are very inspiring and they are very motivating as well. And by the way, I'm really sorry for today, guys. We have to stop over here as there's no power, so I'll have to go. All right, we are going to continue this tomorrow and read my class. And apart from this one, that all of you have spoken today, it was really a nice day. Good, keep up. We're going to see you tomorrow with some kind of speaking topics or maybe model auxiliary. All right,
Yeah.
take care. Cheerio.
Yes, sir.
Cheers.
Cheerio, sir.
Keep
Thank
up.
you, sir.
Serious,
Bye.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.